Paul's reaction to being back up.
Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Wayne County, northern Union County, Indiana, east central Fayette County, Indiana, northwestern Preble County until 4:15 a.m. At 3:38 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Connorsville, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Richmond, Eaton, Liberty, New Paris, Abington, Brownsville, Boston, Richmond Municipal Airport, Witt Station, Oklahoma, west of Florence, Clifton, Kitchell, Sugar Valley, Lake Lockingren, Philo, Math, New Hope, and Springersville. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Indiana between mile markers 155 and 156. I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 0 and 9. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.